Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about Clearplex windshield protection. A few benefits with the film are it's going to absorb impacts that would typically crack or pit the glass. Second, it does have a UV inhibitor in it, so during the summer months, it's going to be much safer to drive your vehicle, protecting you from the UV rays. Third, it's extremely hydrophobic, so if you're driving your vehicle in the rain, instead of the water wanting to stick to the glass, it's going to repel off. And then fourth, and this is the most important, it gives you the peace of mind of when you're driving your car, you don't have to worry about that damage happening to your glass and potentially having to replace it down the road. Without further ado, let's get started. So during this process, I'm actually shrinking the Clearplex to form to the front windshield. So this product comes to us in a bulk roll. We have to trim it out to the shape of the glass. And then from there, like you see in the image, it is being shrunk down so we make sure that when we go to apply the film, it fits nice and snug. So right here, we're actually pulling the backing off of the film. We want to make sure that it stays wet at all times, just to eliminate the likelihood of dirt or debris getting onto the film. And we also have to consider how we are holding the film. We want to make sure we're not creasing it or potentially damaging the adhesive on the back. One thing that we get asked a lot is, what is the lifespan of the Clearplex film? And to answer this, we have to look at a few variables, but standard for daily driven vehicles, cars that are being driven, like I said, just about every day, you're looking at about a 5 to 6 year time span, and that is if it is being maintained properly. If you have a track vehicle, a weekend warrior, you're looking at a much longer time period. The last thing I want to talk about is general maintenance and how can you care for your Clearplex. There are two things you can do. One, make sure that the vehicle is being washed consistently. You don't want dirt and debris sitting on the film for extended periods of time. And then secondly, there is a product that we actually put onto it. It is called Clearplex HD. It's the windshield treatment that makes it super hydrophobic. And what this is gonna do is make sure that when you're driving in the rain and you have your windshield wipers on, it is not scratching the film. So this makes it kind of glide across it without causing any damage. We recommend this reapplication at least once a year if it's being daily driven. I'm all finished up with the Clearplex on the front windshield. It turned out really, really nice. We have a few bits and pieces here that we are waiting to dry out. Other than that, it is going to be 100% complete. Thank you again for watching our video. We really appreciate the support. If you have any questions about this product, please don't hesitate to reach out either by phone, email, or in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.